okay after installing the power dynamo. I'll try to make the first starting attempt. Lights are on. No joke. Or maybe choke. No joke. Wow. That was a very easy start. It's still cold, hadn't been started all day. So let's give it a little choke.